So everyone is asking if NFTs are back, and looking at this Google NFT trends chart, you can see we are not even close to being back, but there are many great news on the market. For example, there have been at least 40 to 50 CryptoPunks NFT sales in the last 2 days. In total, $3 to $4 million have been spent. There have been multiple Pudgy Penguin sales, multiple Bored Ape sales, and that's not it. We have great news. The CZ, the founder of Binance and BNB chain, is released from the prison. So these are really, really bullish news for the whole crypto space, not just NFTs. But if we are talking about NFTs, I think we will reach the highest point in the next year, 2025. But as I'm always telling you, after the summer's over, we are still in August. In many countries, there are still really high temperatures, so people are still on the vacation mode. I'm personally from the Eastern Europe. That's why I have at least around 20 degrees in Celsius. And these are great news because people will be spending more time on their PCs, on their laptops, checking crypto, checking presidential elections, and these usually correlate with the crypto euphoria pumps. And I'm still looking at the global liquidity because there has to be some significant uptrends, so we have that liquidity pumping into crypto markets as well. But we are definitely in the last few weeks, maybe 1 to 2 months, until we experience a significant pumps in crypto, significant pumps in OG NFTs. For example, I already mentioned CryptoPunks. That's why we saw a really huge sales, because we are already almost in September, and the latest in October is when we will start experiencing significant jumps, significant Bitcoin pumps, Ethereum as well, and the rest of the altcoins. And if we are talking about NFTs, I think the biggest advantages right now are on the layer 2 chains and on the new blockchains that have been released in 2022, 2023. Of course, the safest are Bored Apes, Pudgy Penguins, CryptoPunks, but you will not see the biggest ROI, the biggest return of investment in these ones, because these are like established NFT projects. And if you want to get the biggest gains, you have to check out the chains that are basically empty, that have no hype. For example, Base, ZK Sync, Blast, Scroll, and many more that have big funds, big fundings, and most importantly, big adoption. However, the biggest and easiest place you can get in NFTs, in my opinion, are the big brand NFTs, because big brands will have so much funds, so much marketing. They have millions followers on their social media platforms. That's why I think you should look into Nike, Artifact, Adidas, many more big brand projects. VV will go up because they have most of the big brands, and those brands are already advertising, promoting on their social media. For example, Marvel were advertising in 2022, and when we get back to the crypto NFT euphoria in most likely early 2025, maybe late 2024, that's when everything will go crazy. And in my opinion, we will see at least 100 times bigger volume, bigger sales in the NFT space, because the big brands will be ready, and big brands will be basically pushing this narrative, because that's the only thing they can do in the crypto space. They cannot create meme coins or create their own coins. They can take advantage of the NFTs. And the biggest narratives in the next few months, in my opinion, will be still Solana, will be NFTs, will be Tron blockchain, the Telegram blockchain. It seems like Tron is making some big moves. Justin Sun is not dumb, he's a smart man, and he will take advantage of the meme coins, of all of this pump.fun meme coin creation. The airdrop narrative is still alive. There are many upcoming projects that will drop their airdrops in the next few months. And if you have some money, you can do trading. I'm personally doing most of my trading on the Bybit exchange. And if you want to sign up on Bybit and get a big bonus, you can use my referral link. The referral link is in the description and in the comment section. Check it out. And still, the best way you can make money in the crypto space in the upcoming bull run is building something, building NFT collections, building layer 2s, developing, building, just, yeah, that's the best way you can capitalize on this upcoming bull run. You can even create content like I am doing now. I'm creating on Twitter, on YouTube, on TikTok. These are my main social media platforms. You can check them out. The links are in my description as well. And if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto NFT airdrop alpha, press that like, press that subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on any upcoming crypto NFT airdrop alpha. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.